When starting with RC cars, choosing the right model can make all the difference. The best RC bashers for beginners offer a blend of durability, ease of use, and performance to ensure a smooth entry into the hobby. These models are designed to handle rough terrain, minor collisions, and energetic play, making them ideal for novice enthusiasts. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best RC bashers for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 ranks as the number 5 best RC basher for beginners, combining impressive power, unmatched durability, and user-friendly features in an eye-catching package. This RC truck is larger and tougher than ever, featuring a new clipless body, an extended chassis, and massive 5.3-inch sledgehammer tires that give it a bold monster truck stance. At its core lies the all-new BL2S brushless power system, which provides a significant increase in speed and torque, delivering up to 60% more speed and faster acceleration than comparable brushed systems. This advanced system is designed for efficiency, boasting high-speed ball bearings and an internal cooling fan, allowing the Stampede 4x4 to run continuously without overheating, perfect for extended all-day fun. The Stampede 4x4 also comes standard with Traxxas Extreme Heavy-Duty Upgrade Kit, setting a new benchmark for strength and durability. This kit upgrades essential drivetrain and suspension components with reinforced, beefed-up parts, such as heavy-duty suspension arms and steel wheel hubs. These enhancements ensure that the Stampede 4x4 can withstand the rigors of intense off-road bashing and provide lasting performance even under the harshest conditions. One of the standout features of the Stampede 4x4 is its innovative clipless body mounting system. This design allows for secure and fast one-handed installation and removal, making maintenance a breeze. The Arrma Granite Voltage Mega 2WD, ranking 4th among the best RC bashers for beginners, transforms the thrill of remote-controlled monster trucks. This 1/10th scale marvel, crafted by Arrma's dedicated design team, tackles many terrains with its massive multi-terrain tires. Whether you're racing through your backyard, tearing up the beach, navigating parking lots, or cruising over grass fields, this RC truck handles it all effortlessly. Its bashing-optimized suspension ensures smooth control, even when you push the truck to speeds exceeding 20 miles per hour. The mid-chassis mounted 540 motor is ingeniously protected from dirt and impacts, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance. From front to back, the Granite Voltage Mega 2WD is engineered for low-maintenance, trouble-free enjoyment. It features a robust and realistic truck body adorned with striking decals, making it as visually impressive as it is powerful. Ideal for new RC enthusiasts, the Granite Voltage Mega 2WD offers an affordable entry point into the exciting world of RC bashing. It comes equipped with a 6C NiMH battery pack, but its innovative battery tray also accommodates 2S LiPo power for those seeking increased speed, power, and extended runtime. The team-associated rival MT10, ranked 3rd among the best RC bashers for beginners, is a 1x10 scale monster truck built for power and durability. Featuring a 2.4 GHz 2-channel radio system, it offers precise control, while the high-torque digital servo with a spring-style servo saver ensures responsive handling. The Reedy 3300 kV 4-pole brushless motor and water-resistant high-power Reedy brushless speed control deliver impressive performance with a T-plug connector and LiPo low-voltage cutoff for safety. The rival MT10 boasts 3 sealed gear differentials and 12mm hex wheels inspired by Method race wheels. Its threaded, oil-filled coilover shock absorbers and 4mm heavy-duty adjustable steel turnbuckles provide exceptional stability and durability. Equipped with a factory-finished monster truck-style body, high-traction all-terrain tires, and a steel-center drive shaft, it handles rough terrains effortlessly. The rugged adjustable wheelie bar with LEDs and the durable impact-absorbing front bumper enhance its resilience. The rival MT-10's long travel independent suspension, managed by fluid-filled adjustable coilover shocks, allows it to conquer any obstacle. Its 4WD drivetrain with 3 sealed gear differentials and durable slider-type drive shafts ensures power is effectively transferred to both ends, making it a formidable RC basher for any beginner. The Redcat Volcano PX Pro is the second best RC basher for beginners, offering speed, power, and excitement. Featuring a 3300 kV RC540 brushless electric motor and a waterproof 60A ESC, this monster truck delivers robust performance. The lightweight, durable, molded plastic chassis, reinforced with an aluminum upper brace plate, ensures durability and stability. Its low center of gravity enhances nimble handling, while the aggressive monster truck look is complemented by hard plastic skid plates and sporty 10-spoke wheels with large white Redcat lettering. Equipped with 8 aluminum-threaded body oil-filled shocks, the Volcano PX Pro is fully adjustable and tunable. These shocks, combined with dual-rate springs and multiple mounting positions, provide superior handling over various terrains. Tunable metal gear seal differentials, 4-wheel independent suspension, and aggressive tires ensure excellent traction and smooth power delivery. The Volcano PX Pro's massive parts support, including color anodized machined aluminum parts and other performance options, makes it a top choice for hobbyists. This 1x10 scale, 4WD RTR brushless monster truck is ready to erupt with excitement. Battery and charger are sold separately. Embrace the thrill and get your adrenaline flowing with the Redcat Volcano PX Pro. The Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL stands as the #1 best RC basher for beginners, offering an exhilarating blend of speed, power, and durability. This hard-charging wheelie machine captures the essence of a stadium truck and enhances it with robust strength, ensuring that even newcomers can enjoy high-octane RC action without compromising on reliability. Beneath the Rustler's sleek, clipless body lies the heart of its power, the Volinion brushless power system. This advanced system channels immense power through the factory-installed extreme heavy-duty upgrade kit, which is designed to set a new benchmark for strength and durability. The upgrade kit features reinforced drivetrain and suspension components, including HD suspension arms and steel wheel hubs, making it the toughest driveline ever offered in a Rustler. One of the standout features of the Rustler 4x4 VXL is its self-righting capability. This innovative feature, activated by a simple press of a button on the TQI transmitter, allows the Rustler to flip itself back onto its wheels if it lands upside down. This means that even if you get carried away with wheelies or big tricks, the fun doesn't stop. For optimal performance, especially in challenging situations, 3S power is recommended. The Rustler 4x4 VXL also boasts a clipless body latching system, which ensures secure mounting and enables fast one-handed removal and installation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.